Yo, hey, it's Brittany, aka Stylishly Brit, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I share lifestyle and all things in between. When it comes to beauty, I am pretty much a DIY girly, and so I wanted to start sharing some of my beauty things with you guys. And because I don't think I can carry a whole 15-20 minute video based solely on beauty, I'm gonna do these in 5-minute segments, which is what I'm going to call 5-minute beauty with Brittany. The marketing, it doesn't stop. Anyways, today we're gonna be talking about nails. A little backstory. Now, I do get periodically, I get pedicures, but the last time I sat in a nail chair to get my nails done was in 2017. So I've been DIYing it for a long time now. The reason why, if you don't know, I have eczema, and I always say the biggest blessing that eczema gave me is that it forced me to stay out of the nail salon. And the reason it forced me is because with me having eczema on my hands, look at my hands if there's an update. Having eczema since I was in the 5th grade, I used steroid creams for a majority of my life. And in that, my cuticles and my skin, just on my nails period, are thinner than probably the normal person. And so me going to a nail salon used to give me anxiety, because as soon as I sit in a chair at a nail salon, I would have to be on high alert, and 90% of the time I would leave with cut on my nails. I had to get out of the hamster wheel. And so with that, I started using different DIY nail solutions, and I want to walk you through my favorites very quickly. So probably number one on my list are press-ons, but specifically these have been on for almost 2 weeks. These are the Kiss Impress No Glue manicures. Do you see how good these are? This is my box. I probably need to get a better way to do this, but whatever. Keep a bag on deck. They are no glue. They're just press on. If you do them correctly, they stay on for about 2 weeks. I can probably push it to 3 weeks, but I usually just do 2 weeks. And the key to these is to go short, which, as you can see here, this is like a short, or medium length, which is these. If you go long, I have not had success with the long ones. I did try a pair on our way to New Orleans, and the weekend we were in New Orleans, and child, nails kept popping off. I was like, and I'm good at doing my nails in the car, so I don't know what was happening other than the fact that the long ones just do not do well. So the key is to make sure you file your nail down where there's no bumps or ridges in them. Clean it good with the alcohol pad, and then press your cuticles back a little bit, and then you place the nail as far closer under your cuticle as you can get, and you will keep these on for 2 weeks. My next solution are these Dashing Dale Gloss Gel Palettes. They are pretty much nail polish stickers, but they feel like nail. Once you get them on your fingers, they feel like you have nail polish on. They claim to last 14 days. I'm gonna say that's about accurate. So you prep your nails, and then you stretch them pretty much over your fingernail, and then you file down the excess. And if you do it correctly, which it kind of gives details here about how to stretch them and then file them down. As you can see, I'm a fan. So anytime I see these on sale, I grab them. Anytime I see the Impress nails on sale, I grab them. The third option is just your regular manicure with fingernail polish. But the key to keeping it on your nails for 2 weeks is this. Look, not me getting it from Walmart on sale. But anyways, is this. It's the Orly Bonder, and it's for long-lasting manicure. So what I like to do if I'm wearing regular nail polish is I prep my nails, of course. I put this on between each coat. So I'll put this on first, then I'll put the coat of the color, then I'll put this on top again, and then another coat of the color. And then I put this on top again, and on that I do a top coat. And pretty much this will help your manicures last for about 2 weeks. Impress actually has these ones that come inside of their press-ons. I bought a couple of these from the site, so I'm gonna try these with my other nails, and the static nails. I'm gonna try these and I'll report back to you guys on if they work. I'll probably try those next. Very short 5-minute DIY beauty with Brit. I think the next one is going to be about skin tints, because me and skin tints, we go together bad. All right, like, subscribe, share, do all the things. Bye.